Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Raghavendra Rana. My poem is
Head,
बोलना मेरे को तो आता नहीं है.
head, shoulder, knees and toes.
शुरू करो.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Math, last all math, last all math.
Get your body charge. मैं भरूँ तेरा बाजे को टाउ को
Get your body touch, dump. Get your body bump. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Good. Thank you.
Goodbye.